Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you are using the POCO X7 Pro and wondering how to get the best charging speed out of your phone, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you how to set up the fast charging system on your POCO X7 Pro. What it actually does and whether using it all the time is a good idea or not. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your setting apps and then scroll down until you find battery. This one, just tap on it. And once you're inside, just look for an options called charging options. This one, just tap on it. That's where POCO hides all the settings related to charging speed. In these sections, just tap on here, and then in here you will get two main modes, standard modes and top speed modes. If you select standard mode, your phone will charge at a regular pace. This is more gentle on your battery and helps maintain battery health in long run. But if you switch to top speed mode, the phone will activate POCO fast charging system that will give you the ultra speed boost, perfect when you need quick power before heating up. For example, with a compatible charger, you can go from 0 to around 70% in just maybe 20 until 30 minutes, like this. And then, but let's talk about the benefit and possible downside of this feature. For the benefits, it's super convenient when you're in a hurry, and then it's efficient for travel or maybe meetings or gaming breaks, and then it will keep you powered up faster with minimal wait time. But it has a potential downside, like using top speed mode too often maybe generate more heat, which over time can slightly affect battery health. And then if you usually charge overnight, it's better to stay in standard mode because it has a slower but safer for the battery's long-term lifespan. So it's all about balance, fast when you need it and standard when you don't. And okay, that's it. You have now learned how to set up and manage fast charging on your POCO X7 Pro. Just remember, fast charging is awesome for speed, but giving your battery a slow charge and once in a while have its style. And once in a while have it stay healthy longer. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.